Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In today's video, we will learn how to restore your deleted files from OneDrive. It's an easy and simple process, so make sure to watch this video till the end without skipping. Now, let's get started. First, open your OneDrive account. Then tap on the recycle bin which is on the left navigation panel. And here you will be seeing all your deleted files. If you want to restore all of them, you can tap on this button Restore All Items. But if you want to restore any of the specific file, simply hover your mouse over that file. Then tap on this three dot icon for more actions. Then tap on Restore. And as you can see, that file is gone from the recycle bin. And now if you search for it on a folder, it's here. We have successfully restored a file. If you couldn't find the file from where you have deleted it after restoring it, try refreshing the web browser once. Then you will be able to find your file. And guys, that was it. This is how you restore your files from OneDrive. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up to let me know and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from our channel, and feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.